Right, so we're going to now stuff the chicken breast. Stuffing's made. First job, you want to remove the fillet, okay? So you just gently pick that up, and you should just be able to gently tease that away from your breast, like so, okay? If you've got any, I've just skimmed the bone there, so it's attached to the fillet, just make sure I've removed that, okay? And I'm just going to trim up this top end here, where I've got a little bit of fat. You want to remove the skin. So we're going to wrap this up in Parma ham later on, so we want that removed. Same with the other breast, remove your fillet. Yes, don't throw them away. No, don't eat them. Otherwise you'll get it. Okay, again, remove the skin. Right, remove any excess fat around the edge of your chicken. Just check there's no bone or anything attached to it. It's a little bit there. If there is, just remove them. Make sure you keep the fillet for the right breast, okay? Because it's got to match up and marry up. Now you've got a bit of sinew that runs through the fillet. We just want to remove as much of that as we possibly can. So you just cut down either side and open it up so you can see the sinew there, okay, and then just grab that and then just with your knife just get a cloth on that to hold it, just scrape down so you can remove as much of it as possible, really. Okay, you can see it coming out there. Okay.
We don't do that, we fail.
No, you don't fail, but you know, just it's one of those things that you should do all the time, and not a lot of people do. It's a bit like my spinach philosophy. Once you get into that habit, you'll always do it. Okay, so same again, I'm just going to cut down either side of the...
Does it actually make a difference?
It just it just doesn't look so ugly, and it can be a little bit chewy. Again, maybe I am being a little bit OCD, but it's a good habit to get yourself into. It doesn't take too long to do. So we've done that. Next, can you see this properly, Smithy? You might need to lift this up slightly to see this. Okay, you've got your thicker end, your thinner end. We're now going to make our pocket, so where we're going to put our filling. So leave about an inch in either end. Just cut down into the breast. Now obviously you need to cut in thicker this end than you do this end, because obviously it's thicker. So you've got to be careful, because whatever you do not want to cut through the flesh here.
Right?
You'll get marked down for it. So you just cut a piece like so, okay, straight down your fillet. Now we're going to make our pocket. So keeping your knife at more or less a 90-degree angle, you're just going to cut along and open up the cavity. Now see, look, splitting it there, look, got a hole. Don't do that. Okay. Same, turn it around, do the same on the other side, keep your knife flat.
Basically like a butterfly.
Yeah. So you're creating a pocket. Don't want to split, don't want to do that, okay? I'll mark you down. Okay, so the same with the other chicken. Lay that down, cut from the top to the bottom, obviously deeper at one end than the other. Okay. And then, cut that open, create your pocket, okay? Take your chicken, obviously, touch of seasoning. don't go overboard because you're going to wrap Parma ham around this as well. Alright, but you want to okay. Take your filling. Okay, and just mould that into your into your pouch. Okay. Then with your fillet, a little bit of cling film. Just want to lightly tap to make it a little bit thinner and wider. And then with this, lay that over your, and then you tuck the fillet into that pouch. Okay. So you seal all of that in. Okay. Then just turn it over and just reshape your breast.
Won't that like ooze out?
Well, we are going to wrap it. That's why you don't want to cut a hole in it. Okay.
You said exactly the same thing.
Really? Oh my!
Same on the other side. The other one, add your filling. Again, you don't want to smack the living daylights out of it, just tap it down gently and then tuck all of that in. Bring up the sides. Like so. Okay. Alrighty.